We'll guide you through how to compress PDF with Foxit. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Hover your mouse cursor over the Foxit PDF editor shortcut and double-click it to launch the program. After the application is ready, direct your attention to the upper left corner and click the File option using your left mouse button. A settings panel will appear, and from the Open section, select Computer to access files stored on your device. Next, click the Browse button so you can navigate through your folders and locate the large PDF file that you want to compress. After finding the correct document, select the file and press Open to load it into the Foxit PDF editor workspace. Once your document has opened successfully, look again toward the menu options in the upper left corner of the application window. Click the File option once more with your left mouse button to access additional file management features. A sidebar configuration page will appear on your screen, so carefully locate the Optimizer category from the available options. Click the Optimizer option to display multiple compression choices that can reduce the size of your PDF document. Next, direct your attention to the panel on the right side of the window and click the Reduce File Size option once. When prompted, select Current File from the available selection so the optimization is applied to the document you currently have open. A small settings pop-up box will appear where you need to click the drop-down menu and choose your preferred target compatibility level, such as PDF version 1.3. After selecting the compatibility level, move your cursor to the OK button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box and click it once. A Save File window will then appear asking where you want to store the compressed document. Finally, press Ctrl and S together to save the document that have been changed.